Just think, you have a global operation in 7 continents, 85 countries. All the countries send you the monthly sales report in Excel over email, and you compile these 185 files in one single Excel file for hours to prepare the dashboard and to present it before your board of directors. What if all 185 reports are just dumped in one shared folder? You just open the file next morning and the report is all ready and presented in a well-designed dashboard. You think I'm crazy, right? Just join me in my Excel dashboard training and I will teach you the magic in 4 hours, including some bonus tips for your dashboard. In these 4 hours, I will prepare this interactive dashboard where the data will talk and tell the story to your board of directors. Hi, I'm Mohammad Mehnazuddin Rupam, and I am an Excel trainer, and I will be hosting this training in Thriving Skills, and the registration link is just in the description board. Please register yourself and don't miss the chance to learn this magic. I look forward to see you. Take care. Bye-bye.